So friends, Poco F6 launched in India on 23 May at a starting price of 29,999 rupees. After much anticipation, Poco has finally unveiled the details of the smartphone. The device is supported with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chipset. While Poco has teased more or less everything about this flagship, the display was the highlight of the event. According to Poco, F6 aims to redefine display and offer a perfect blend of performance, camera and battery. The new Poco F6 delivers a number of features in the mid-range segment, and Poco F6 will be available for Rs 29,999 for a standard variant, which is 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, and the higher version with 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage, which is priced at Rs 31,999 rupees, and another variant with 12GB plus 512GB will be available at Rs 33,999, and the first sale will go live on May 29 at 12 PM, but offer can help lower this price as well. And when we talk about the display, battery and design, the Poco F6 5G sports a dual rear camera setup, which includes a 50 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, and the device also features a 5000 mAh battery accompanied by 90-watt turbocharging support. The boost charging speed features in another highlight of the smartphone, and the device is designed 7.8 mm thin with acquired IP64 dust and water resistance. The flagship boasts a 6.67-inch large display and comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus performance. The Poco F6 features a Crystal Rays Flow AMOLED display, which was also brought up earlier by Poco, having 2712 into 1220 resolution and 446 ppi. The device has an always-on display with up to 2400 nits of peak brightness, and under the hood, the Poco F6 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor and coupled with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 boasts a 4nm fabrication process, and it features a high-performance Cortex-X4 flagship core and an Adreno 735 GPU, and it is also the first phone in India to pack the new Qualcomm chip. The device runs on Xiaomi Hyper operating system based on Android 14. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.